Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering your media and deciding the toolchain. Export audio at 44, 1K HZ or higher for accuracy because cleaner input reduces mistakes. Once done, select Cloud API for speed, local model for privacy, or an editor for integrated workflows. Make sure you have an API key or the installer ready, and confirm 15 GB of free disk space depending on file sizes. Now, open the app or terminal so you can begin the automated transcription pipeline immediately. You now run the transcription job and monitor progress. Upload the file or reference the local path. Choose WAV or FLAC for better fidelity. Then set language, speaker count, and enable timestamps or diarization if you need speaker labels. Start the job and keep an eye on logs or progress bars. This reveals timeouts or rate limits early. If accuracy is poor, reprocess with noise reduction, higher bitrate, or a different model. Adjust chunk sizes and parallelism to balance speed and stability. You finish by cleaning and exporting the transcript. Open the output, proofread for punctuation and homophones, and normalize timestamps to match the video. Once edited, export to SRT, VTT, TXT, or JSON depending on your workflow, then either embed captions or keep them as sidecar files. If the result has repeated errors, troubleshoot. Check audio quality for clipping or noise. Verify you used the latest model or proper language setting, and retry with a higher sample rate or noise reduction applied.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.